Yeah, man. yeah, 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 yeah. What a match, though. What a match. Congratulations, first of all, to Amanda, to Pagania. From me, like as a Kosi fan, I'd just like to say congratulations for them. Even I won't be saying like I'm hyper, right? Because I'll be honest. I would like actually say that that would be wouldn't be genuine of me. So yeah, what a match. We are seeing the same mistakes. A thing that happened on the previous match last week against Sundowns and Pirates. Yenzekile again. And I actually, okay, first of all, I just want to say there's a coach that's going to lose his job. Definitely after this game, I think they're already like recruiting another coach. And I'm so disappointed, like on like Sundowns, the way like they played. It was a 50-50 match, available, but like another things that what I saw was like shout out to Orlando Pirates, available. They were more on their weapons, Baba press available most of the time, available. And another thing, like, isn't like sure that just keep on like being proven right. Another thing I said, which like Sundowns without Muta and Sundowns without Ribeiro, it is no longer the Sundowns there, like Esichuaele. And when I said the first video on this channel, when I said which like Pagani is the most dangerous team in PSL this season, even though I'm a Kosi fan, you all were thinking which like I'm lying and stuff. I know there are people that they were like, nah, the boy is just like capping yabo. I come in the baya yabo. And I said it was like Santa doesn't look that much threatening yabo. The only player my like I feel like he's still like bringing into it adjustment in them. It is only like Alain available. I'm not saying Santos doesn't have like quality and stuff, Nana, but it doesn't seem like dangerous like before. If Ribeiro, Giovanni King, and then and Muta and like Allende, we're going to see that it was going to be exposed too much. So yeah, let's hope that they can be fixing those issues and yeah, they get like a huge amount for like those players, a reasonable amount, and then they just buy another like players which have like higher quality. And yeah, they brought in Umaseko and you can't be expecting the boy who to like angadlalanga lesikhathi eside and then expect him to like deliver on like a game intensity so now we're high level type of a game available, especially like it is not just a game, it is not a league game, it is a cup, it is more for like a cup final available at this point. And yeah, man, I like I'm out of like the way, I'm out of like the weight, but yeah, let's get like to the game about. And then on the game into like a witness available, watching Sundowns try to create like opportunities. The Pirates try to create some opportunities, but they were into like getting to the final third available first half because this was the thing to so it was not even a thing which like it is a final decision. But the moment they attack, when Mabafia kuleli side, very bangafika 18 area, they lose the ball. Orlando Pirates will do the same thing, and then eventually for Mamelodi Sundowns they scored and Pagania again like second half available. Masezophela vele match available. They scored, which it was like a match of like 50-50, even though like mapa like position and stuff, but you could say which like Sundowns had like more position, but for me, it wasn't like that. And another thing I noticed said good like Adams, I don't think Adams like gives like Sundowns that much. I feel like Sundowns they should be worried because if they don't give that, me personally I prefer that kid Mapen available because I believe it was like there's a lot of creativity. Even though the coach doesn't believe Vela such available in Twane, he's gonna be putting too much weight on him and stuff. But like for me, I believe which like when they done and like I don't far really weight well too much well. But I understand you little side level can build him, it can destroy him at the same time. So I believe it was like Mamelodi Sundowns, they just need to fix like the number 10 position. Ever since it was like Yabo no Antonio Timbers he can retire any moment. He can, I think this is even like his last season. And by the way, I just want to say also like congratulations to like Peter Shalulile for being like number one sharing it with who's that guy? Damn, I forgot like the name of like one of our South African best players available for sharing like the number of goals being like on number one. And I was like, maybe today is gonna score and do the things, man. But yeah, I don't think like there's too much I can actually say like about this game. And credit to again to Sibelebele, which I believe what it deserved also like the man of the match. But today I watched like everything well because I wanted to hear like Ukado was also explaining with why is it defending. Why is it defending? And I said it last week, which like this coach will cost like Sundowns. Why is it defending? Angazi defender bro like a team speaking about a team like sugar like with Club World Cup uzofika like person and then you decide to defend against Orlando Pirates. I'm not saying with Orlando Pirates is like less quality feeling and it is a team of stars but as I said from like me which like they are the most like about team vele yabo training more than like them all. I understand akule period leyo ukuthi like babe like nah the coach in wara coach wabi scam blah 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 na vele yabo. But like the players didn't finish like opportunities and also like credit to Sipo Chain and let me go back to Sibelebele. Didn't give him like enough flowers. Shout out to like Umchita. I feel like he's the better like replacement for like he's even much more better than like Ukota. I think like yabo it is somebody iparania ezothi noma like badlala ama-matches yabo anye kufana like last season but now Saleng is to be back in because like he's better than like Unkota. I think mhlambe if like not but Saleng was something else. So let me just like give him more time and then I'd give him like more flowers. But like so far he has like an impact. I think first time I saw like the kid it was on a chain match available in South Africa available and they actually like did good. So yeah, it's gonna be like an interesting season available. Is Pagania gonna take because it seems like they gonna play against it Stellenbosch yabo. Finally it will depend upon like lenye game vele ukuthi kwenzakalani and stuff. And yeah, congratulations to them. And by the way, I like again to actually like take this moment and appreciate the people that's actually like subscribing. It motivates me. And please guys, like the video, like the video, like the video. You're getting the viewers, but you're not liking the video. Really appreciate it. It will share this video with like other people, and that will mean a lot to me. And I'm still like somebody who's still learning very about more about soccer. I love soccer, but that doesn't mean it's like I know a lot about it. So like I'm still learning, and I really appreciate it. If like you're taking this journey with me, and yeah, man, let's grow the channel. Let's subscribe. Let's like. Let's get to 750 before the end of the month. That will be dope. And let's see if like Pagani is gonna take it again. But me, I don't want like with like by Tate because I man so velela. But yeah, man, let's see also like the game on Wednesday to Hamba and between like Ikosi and sometimes it will be an interesting game. Baba Nabi is back. Welcome him. And also another thing, man, khona mani into mane enye into mane engikhohlwayo. Damn, I'm gonna remember it next time. But yeah, my man of the match, Sibelebele. Danko.